Day two today in President Trump's civil fraud trial in a Manhattan courtroom where he appeared in person for the second day in a row. The New York Attorney General brought charges alleging he and his eldest sons inflated the net worth of the Trump Organization's assets by as much as $2.2 billion. Trump denying any wrongdoing and blasting the AG. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Witnesses are taking the stand on the second day of the civil fraud trial against former President Trump, who was once again in court to listen in.
This case should be dismissed. This is not a case.
Trump telling the press over and over that he's done nothing wrong and blasting New York Attorney General Letitia James, who's leading this investigation.
She ran on the basis I will get Trump without knowing anything about me.
James wants him, his eldest sons, and the Trump Organization to pay a penalty of at least $250 million and wants Trump banned from doing business in the state of New York.
Donald Trump and the other defendants have committed persistent and repeated fraud.
The judge has already agreed with her, ruling that the Trumps engaged in fraud by inflating the value of their real estate properties so they could obtain loans and insurance on more favorable terms. State attorneys conducting a direct examination of Donald Bender, an accountant for Mazars, who prepared financial statements on Trump's properties. He says Trump's company did not always follow the rules. Trump's defense team also getting their chance to question him. His attorneys have argued real estate values, even square footage, are subjective, and the Trump properties are Mona Lisa properties, suggesting they're priceless. This trial will determine how much Trump and his company will pay in damages and penalties. Prosecutors say they plan on calling Trump as their final witness. Trump telling reporters he thinks it's going to go very well. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
And the judge in that civil trial has issued a gag order against former President Trump. The judge admonished him after Trump attacked the judge's law clerk on his Truth social media site and in comments he made to reporters covering his fraud trial. Judge Arthur Engoron said any personal attacks on his staff were unacceptable, inappropriate, and intolerable. He ordered Trump to delete the post and for all parties to not speak publicly about any members of court staff. The judge warned failure to abide by his gag order will result in serious sanctions. Trump has repeatedly attacked the judge and the prosecutor who brought the civil case.